In 2007, Bob and Arlene Dinnigan's daughter Amanda was nearly decapitated by a seatbelt in an accident. Her parents blame a faulty seatbelt design by General Motors, or GM, for her injury. Her around-the-clock care would cost $500,000 a year. With her insurance maxed out, the Dinnigans filed a lawsuit against GM to cover the costs of Amanda's medical care. Settlement was likely until 2009 when the government stepped in to perform the largest government bailout of a company in U.S. history. The newly minted Auto Task Force realized that the government could marginally profit in the bailout by using federal bankruptcy laws to wipe out the claims of the Dinnigans and others injured by defective GM cars. Settlement discussions soon terminated. Though old GM's management wanted these claims assumed, the auto team told the bankruptcy court that the government would not bail out GM unless the court ordered the sale be free and clear of successor liability claims.
She can't do anything, and if we're not there to, help her out, it becomes very dangerous very fast. Somebody has to be with her at all the time. Talking about Medicaid and stuff, that's a system that's set up to help out, and it has helped out. But there's so much more that needs to be done. We have a hard time finding nurses through Medicaid because of the pay and what Medicaid wants to pay and what the nurses want to be paid.
In 2015, the Chicago law firm of Robbins, Solomon, and Pat sued the government for forcing the accident victims' successor liability claims to be extinguished in violation of the Constitution's Fifth Amendment Takings Clause. Even though the government conceded the suit was timely filed, the trial court dismissed the case, holding that the victims filed their lawsuit 4 days too late. The Federal Circuit Court of Appeals affirmed, and despite an amicus brief filed in support by the Center for Auto Safety, the United States Supreme Court denied the victims' cert petition in October 2020.
We're not looking for handouts or anything like that. We're looking to maybe correct an injustice so we can get the help that we need for our daughter Amanda.
The GM accident victims have suffered for over 12 years because of the federal government's outreach in the GM bailout. Congress amended Title VII in the Lilly Ledbetter Act to resuscitate time-barred claims seeking equal pay. Congress also enacted legislation in 1998 that revised and settled time-barred discrimination claims of Black farmers against the Department of Agriculture. The Amanda Dinnigans of this country need your help. They were not the cause of GM's problems, yet they were treated far worse by the government than most of GM's other creditors. Please support a similar legislative fix and settlement that brings justice to the GM accident victims like Amanda Dinnigan.